Evening, amigos. We're live at 10:21, and we're running the final mini for Gary's VC Jawa. There he is. I got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top 2 win spots in the main on this, John. Here we go. There's our 10. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least 5, as you may know. We got an 8. We're in great shape for some battle on action. Here we go. Stephen Rock, round 1. Gary 2. Kenneth 3. Gary again on top in round 4. Steve 5. Rock takes round 6. Jason in the top spot for our next to last round. Bringing us to the, there we go, ever important, final round. There we go, as the crowd is chanting. And our winners are Donnie and Steve. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. HXDZAC. There's our results. I'm done at 10:22. And she is sweetie. Woo, look at her go. All right, this is well worth my time. There we go. There's the result. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.